Hi everyone, Tommy here. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of your Defibtech AED, the pads and batteries. Think of them as fuel and tires of a race car. Without them, the AED doesn't cross the finish line. Each Defibtech AED is built with specific features to fit different needs, and the pads and batteries are no different. Let's dive in and see how they keep your device ready to save lives. Let's start with the Lifeline Auto AED, a fully automated defibrillator designed for simplicity and ease of use. This device comes ready to roll with adult defibrillation pads that are pre-connected to the AED because in an emergency, every second counts. For pediatric patients, it uses pediatric pads which automatically adjust the AED's energy for the patient's output. With a 2-year shelf life on both adult and pediatric pads, you'll spend less time worrying about the replacements and more time knowing that you're prepared. The Lifeline Auto AED's consumables are built for quick and confident action, taking the guesswork out of the replacement process. Now, let's talk about the Lifeline VIEW AED and the Lifeline ECG AED. While these devices cater to different users, they share the same consumables, making replacements and maintenance simple and straightforward. The VIEW AED is equipped with a full color video screen that walks you through every step of the rescue process, perfect for those who want clear visual instructions. On the other hand, the ECG AED provides real-time ECG monitoring, making it a top choice for professional responders and healthcare settings. Both devices use adult defibrillation pads, which feature clear diagrams to ensure correct placement during a rescue. For younger patients, they're compatible with pediatric pads, which automatically adjust energy levels for safe defibrillation. Just like the pads on the Lifeline Auto AED, these also boast a 2-year shelf life, ensuring they're ready to go whenever you need them. Now let's move on to the batteries that keep these AEDs powered and ready for action. All 3 models, the Lifeline Auto, Lifeline VIEW, and Lifeline ECG AED, use a standard battery option. The Lifeline Auto AED and Lifeline AED are compatible with both the 5-year standard battery and a 7-year high-capacity battery, offering flexibility based on your needs. The Lifeline VIEW AED and Lifeline ECG AED use a 4-year standard battery. Additionally, some Defibtech AEDs, like the Lifeline series, also use a 9-volt battery to power their self-tests and status monitoring. This ensures the AED performs daily self-tests and provides clear alerts if maintenance is needed, so you can always trust that your device is ready to go. Every Defibtech AED is equipped with ready-to-rescue features to keep pads and batteries in top condition. Built-in daily self-checks, automatic monitoring consumables, and system status, so you're never caught off guard. If something needs attention, the AED provides audible and visual alerts, letting you know exactly what requires maintenance. These features offer peace of mind, ensuring your AED is ready to perform when every second matters. Defibtech's pads and batteries are engineered to make every AED model, whether it's the Lifeline Auto, Lifeline VIEW, or ECG AED, reliable, durable, and easy to use. The VIEW AED excels in step-by-step visual guidance. The ECG AED offers advanced heart monitoring for professionals, and all monitors share the same high-quality consumables for consistency and simplicity. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or you need assistance, our team is always here to help. Stay safe, stay prepared, and trust your Defibtech AED to be ready when it matters the most.